Hey folks, this is 3-minute reviews on Mukesh's Tech Space. So here I have the fully assembled. It took me literally probably 15-20 minutes, I would say, to assemble this Gabrylly Sit Well, Work Better office chair. And it's, as you can see right here, has a full office, the mesh look. Comes with a headrest that I just showed you, which was adjustable, top and down and front and back. So it will fit most of us that need it to be in the exact position. In the documentation, it does say that it comes with a backrest or a lumbar support, but you have to call them and request that, and I think they'll ship it out to you. Seems really well made. So far, no issues. I just got it assembled, so I'll be trying it out. But wanted to do an unboxing and installation video of this high back office chair. The installation instructions were pretty clear, very clear in fact, and the assembly was very easy. I've done my share of assembling office chairs in the past, and I would say this is one of the top 5, if not maybe the top 3 easiest office chair to assemble. It also comes with an installation video, so if you scan that barcode there, direct you to a installation video. There it is. Here's a look from the back. From the front. All right, so just wanted to do a quick installation, unboxing and installation video of this Gabrylly office chair. Hope you found this review useful. Thanks for watching.